In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook Windows 11. First, let's start with a simple yet effective step. Restart your computer and then open Outlook again. This action can resolve many minor glitches. When you restart, your system clears temporary files and refreshes processes. You might see your desktop icons disappearing and reappearing as your computer shuts down and reboots. This process helps to reset any lingering issues that may be preventing Outlook from functioning properly. After the reboot, look for the Outlook icon on your desktop or in the taskbar. Double-click it to open. If it opens smoothly, you've solved the problem. If not, don't worry, we have more steps to go through. Next up, make sure that both Windows and Microsoft Office are fully up to date. This is crucial because software updates often contain important fixes and enhancements that improve performance and security. To check for updates, navigate to Settings and select Windows Update. You will see an option to check for updates. Allow your system to install any available updates. After completing Windows updates, you should also update Microsoft Office. Open any Office app, go to File, then Account, and select Update Options. Click Update Now. Once both are updated, try opening Outlook again. Keeping your software updated is a key practice that enhances stability. Now, let's start Outlook in safe mode. This mode runs Outlook without any add-ons or extensions that might be causing issues. To do this, press Windows and the R key together. This opens the Run dialog box. In the box, type outlook.exe/safe and then press Enter. You will see Outlook launch in safe mode. If it opens successfully, this indicates that something in the normal mode is causing the problem. This step is essential as it helps to isolate the issue, ensuring you can troubleshoot effectively. If Outlook works in safe mode, the next step is to disable unnecessary COM add-ins. Open Outlook again and navigate to File, then Options and select Add-ins. Here you will see a list of add-ins that are currently enabled. From the Manage menu at the bottom, select COM add-ins and click Go. You will see checkboxes for each add-in. Clear the checkboxes for any add-ins that are not essential, then restart Outlook. This step can significantly improve performance and eliminate conflicts, making your Outlook experience smoother. Following that, we will repair Microsoft Office. This can address deeper issues that might not be resolved with the previous steps. Open the Settings app and select Apps, followed by Installed Apps. Scroll to find Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office in the list. Once you locate it, click the three dots for more options and select Modify. First, run Quick Repair. If the problem persists, proceed to run Online Repair. This thorough process checks and fixes any corrupted files, ensuring your Office applications work as intended. Next, let's reset the Outlook Navigation Pane. This is a helpful step if you are experiencing layout issues. Press Windows and the R key again to open the Run dialog. Type outlook.exe/reset nav pane and then press Enter. This action resets the navigation pane settings back to their default state. You should see a brief flash as Outlook reopens, confirming the reset. Doing this can help clear any visual glitches and improve usability. If Outlook still isn't functioning properly, your next option is to create a new Outlook profile. Open the control panel and navigate to Mail. Click on Show Profiles and then click Add to create a new profile. Follow the prompts to set up your new profile. Once created, make sure to set it as the default profile. After this, reopen Outlook. A new profile can often resolve issues stemming from corrupted settings in your old profile. Note, if none of these steps resolve the problem, you can use the Get Help app in Windows. Navigate to Start and select Get Help to run Outlook diagnostics. Alternatively, you might consider reinstalling Microsoft Office. Microsoft recommends the Get Help app as the primary troubleshooting tool for Outlook issues on Windows 11. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve issues with your Outlook application. Thank you for watching.